DJI has had quite a busy year, introducing a bunch of cool gadgets, from small cameras to fancy movie-making drones. They've made sure to upgrade each lineup, showing how serious they are about pushing the limits of technology. But in the midst of all these high-tech goodies, there's one drone, the Avata, that hasn't seen any changes. Today, we're diving into what we know about the upcoming DJI Avata. The Avata is like a quiet, dependable friend in the world of drones. However, rumors in the drone community hint at a new version, possibly called the DJI Avata 2. People are excited, hoping for a makeover to fix the Avata's occasional wobbliness, especially when it's pushed to its limits for that perfect shot. The current Avata, while easy to control, struggles at high speeds, failing to give users the precise cinematic shots they want. Many users have complained about its shaky flight, possibly due to a design issue. Rumors suggest there's a new Avata in the works, aiming to fix these stability problems and make it more reliable. Another common complaint among Avata pilots is its short battery life. While many similar drones can fly for up to 15 minutes, the Avata only lasts for around 9 to 10 minutes. People are discussing their hopes for the Avata 2 on the DJI forum, with most agreeing that it needs a big overhaul to ensure smoother and steadier flights. The rumored improvements for the Avata 2 primarily target stability. The existing version has propeller guards for safety, but they limit its agility when navigating crowded spaces. People are expecting a redesigned Avata to prioritize stability, ensuring more reliable performance even in tricky flying situations. To tackle the issue of short battery life, DJI seems ready to enhance the Avata 2's endurance. The current model's brief flights mean users have to change batteries often, which can be inconvenient when trying to capture spontaneous moments. Taking inspiration from their recent advancements, DJI plans to increase the Avata 2's flight time to an impressive 20 minutes, a significant improvement from its predecessor. Safety is a top priority, and DJI recognizes the need to improve obstacle avoidance capabilities. The current Avata has a sensor for detecting obstacles below, but to make it more beginner-friendly, DJI is expected to add directional obstacle avoidance. This improvement aims to create a more thorough safety system, allowing the Avata 2 to navigate its surroundings with better awareness and flexibility. Enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the reveal of the DJI Avata 2, with speculation pointing towards a release around September 2024. This aligns with DJI's detailed research and development timeline, usually spanning 2 years. While the wait may seem long for Avata fans, the promised upgrades are expected to make it well worth the patience. In the meantime, the drone community is filled with excitement, pondering the potential improvements that the Avata 2 might bring. Whether it's better stability, longer flight time, or advanced obstacle avoidance, users are expressing their hopes for DJI's upcoming Whoop-style drone. To sum up, the DJI Avata 2 seems poised to revolutionize the world of FPV drones. With rumors of a redesign to tackle stability issues, a significant increase in flight time, and improved obstacle avoidance, the Avata 2 holds the promise of providing an unmatched flying experience. As we eagerly await its arrival in September 2024, the drone community is buzzing with anticipation, imagining the heights of innovation that DJI will achieve with the Avata 2.